Previously, we looked at the frequencies when we came to analyze, and we went to descriptive, and we were able to get to frequencies. But if you observe, when we did the frequency for the sex and the age too, we're able to get some values. Some values telling you that, okay, this is the total number of people that are male, the total number of people that are female, and their percentages. But so then now we're going to look at something we call cross-tabulation. Cross-tabulation. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell after you might have subscribed to this channel. Thank you. So you come to analyze and you go to descriptive. Instead of coming to frequencies, we're going to look at what they call cross-tab. Okay, under cross-tabulation, what we are trying to achieve is this. We're going to look at, okay, under your rows, I want to look at the sex. Now, under the columns, I want to say, okay, among the number there are male or female. Let's say, for instance, the males make up to 50, total number of 50. How many of them comprises of those that have one occupation or the other? Let's say the males were 200. I want to say, okay, let's split that 200 males among the occupation. So this is what I mean. So have our sex on the rows, and we'll have our occupation on the columns. And then when you're done, you go to cells, go to your format. It's already in ascending order. Check out your cells. You make sure your observed is on, and then your percentages, you choose where you want to put your percentages, but leave it at row. You tell it okay, and then you go to your statistics. Here it's okay because we are not yet performing chi-square yet, so you leave it to continue. Then when you're done with this, you click on OK. Then you see it performed. So this is what they call, these are sex, occupation, cross-tabulation. So look at what has played out here. Look at your sex under your rows. Have a male and female, and then the count for the male is total of 316. But out of this total, this is how it is shared out. I mean, among these 316, farming comprised of 188, fishing 64, civil servant 50, business 14. Now is this total that make up to 316. And one good thing again, the percentages within the males tells you that, okay, out of these 316, the 188 here represents 59.5%. Yes, because if you look at 188, this is almost more than half of 316. Yes, then the 64 represents 20%, then 50 represents 15%, and so on. The same thing is applicable to the female. The females. The females too are 334, and this is shared out in this pattern among the farmers, the fishermen or women, the civil servants, and then the businessmen and women. And then after the whole thing is rolled out, then we now have our total, which now tells us, okay, the whole total number of the male and females is 650. Yes, still out of this 650, those under farming, when you sum this and this, you get 404. When you sum this and this, you get 87, and so on. And these also have their own percentages, presented or represented down here. So this is what cross-tabulation does. You can do that, the location, you can do that, just if we go back, go back to our data view, view, you could do it with sex and age, even sex and occupation, or the location and the occupation. So however you want it to be, you can actually play this out. So this is about cross-tabulation. we'll still be touching cross tabulations when we're looking at our chi-square, values. Thank you so much.